Hello everyone, welcome to my Python programming series. This is episode 1 and today we are gonna make a dice simulator. So here is what my dice simulator looks like and let's see some outputs. So we have to press Y to roll the dice and it generates a random number between 1 to 6. Now let's begin to make the program. So we have opened Python. Now this is program 1 of 20 and these programs can be used for Class 12 CBSE Computer Science project. Now let's open the editor and start writing our program. Let us first import the random module as it contains functions to generate random integers, and we'll create our own function that will generate numbers between 1 to 6. Now we are defining the function dicesim, and the next command, that is n is equal to random.randint, will generate a random integer between 1 and 6. Now we'll just return n. Let's now write the main program. We'll take a variable cont is equal to y. Now we'll start a while loop and we'll place inside the while loop the cont variable. We'll now ask the user to input capital Y or small y so as to roll the dice. The user can either enter y or they can enter nothing and leave the loop. Then dice will be rolled and the number generated will be printed. Now the main program's completely done. Wait, I forgot to write one thing. Enter nothing to do nothing. Now let's roll the dice. Before we do that, let's just once more check the program. We have imported the module, the functions created, and the main programs. I think it's done completely. So yeah, let's now roll the dice. So let's save it and I'll name it as dice simulator. Okay, let's go. So yes, we press Y and again, yeah, done. It's working just fine. So for any doubts, write down in the comments below. As such, your subscribing and liking will be appreciated by me. Also, check out the description as screenshots of the code and input-output sequences are given there. See you again. Thank you very much if you have watched till the end. For more such videos, check out my playlist.